want to move into your culture as Copenhagen Atomics as a company, your team. Why is it that top talent want to join Copenhagen Atomics? So tell me a little bit about your culture. What makes Copenhagen Atomics special? Why top talent want to work for you over, big tech, artificial intelligence, other nuclear companies? Give us a taste of that.
Yeah, so I think it's very exciting where we are right now. We're hiring lots of new people and scaling the company. And if you have a big company with 10,000 employees, each employee doesn't have that much effect on the direction of the company. But right now in Copenhagen Atomics, we are close to 100 people, so you can still have a big impact on the direction the company is taking. You can still be part of inventing all the different systems we're using, and you can be part of setting up the first fuel supply factory or the first lithium manufacturing site, and you can still be part of it when it's the first of almost everything. And I think that's what many, especially engineers, find very exciting. That it's not a big company where they've been making the same product for decades and you just have to fill out yet another document about quality assurance or whatever. Here you actually get to build things, and we have a culture where the engineers are required to be in the workshop. So they don't sit in the office behind a computer, or even worse, at home, working from home in front of a computer. Here at our facility, they are in the workshop every day, working with the technicians in the workshop. They're working with the welders, electricians, and so on to build the systems and test the systems and make sure it works. So of course we order a lot of components from suppliers, and they have to do CAD drawings. So they are also working in front of their computer in the office, making CAD drawings and so on, and then ordering components from suppliers. But when those components arrive here, we want the engineers to be in the workshop at helping assemble the different machines or systems that they're building and testing those to learn exactly what are the what works and what doesn't work from the components that they were designing. And I think that they actually love that. They love to work with the welders and the electricians and machinists and so on to build the, I think this is why people become an engineer. That's because they want to build something with their hands, and that's what they can do here. They can actually build stuff, and it's cool stuff. It's like, Mom, I built a nuclear reactor today with my own hands. I think that's why they want to work here.